Namaste everyone. Welcome to today's class, a full 40 minutes class primarily based on sun salutation of Hatha Yoga. So, without wasting time, let's start. Both the hands in Gyan Mudra. Let's begin the class with one Om chant. Inhale. Stay here, feel your breath. Inhale deeply through nose, exhale through mouth. Once more. Bring yourself on the mat and both the hands in Pranam Mudra. Let's set an intention for the workout today. Very gently rub your palms and apply the heat generated on your eyes. Let's start, guys. Very first thing, come to the front side of the mat. So from here, let's do little bit of warm up. Inhale, roll your shoulders back. 1, 2, 3. Reverse. 3, 2, 1. Now from here, take your arms up, look up, go down, step back into down dog. Drop your knees and come into tabletop position. Hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Okay, from here, inhale, look up, head up. Cow pose, exhale, look down, round the spine. Inhale, exhale. 3 more rounds. Very slow and mindful. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 2 last. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, come to the center, tabletop position. Now from here, tuck your toes and come to downward dog. Now from here, let's pedal the feet. Raise your heels one by one. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, drop your both the heels, move forward towards the hands, come at the front of the mat. Now hold your elbows and swing side to side. Ragdoll. Drop your hands, come up. Okay, let's start with sun salutation. So from here, inhale, Pranam Mudra on exhale. Now from here, inhale, arms up, once aligned with the ears, hinge from your hips and have a gentle back bend. On exhale, come front, go down, Padhastasana, right leg back, Ashav Sanchalan. Point to note, your knee should be just above your ankle. back knee dropped, back toe pointed. This is called horse riding pose. Tuck your back toe, take the knee up, create space and take left foot back. Plank pose. 3, 2, drop the knees, chest and chin on the mat. Ashtanga Namaskara, 8-limbed pose. Now point the toes, drop the belly, raise your torso up, cobra pose, Bhujanga Asana. Now tuck your toes, come to Parvatasana. From here, right foot forward between the palms. Drop your back knee, toe pointed. Look front. Take your left foot forward. Padhastasana. Inhale, raise your both arms up and back. Exhale, Pranam Mudra. This is half sun salutation, lead by right leg. Now let's do the same with left leg. From here, again both arms up and back. Let's do this time with breath. Exhale, Padhastasana. Left foot back, knee down, toe pointed, look forward, Ashav Sanchalan. Tuck the toe, knee up, right foot back, plank. 3, 2, 1. Knees, chest, chin on the mat. Ashtanga Namaskara, 8-limbed pose. Point the toes, drop the belly, Bhujangasana. Okay, tuck the toes and come to mountain pose, Parvatasana. Move little forward. From here, take your left foot forward between the palms. Drop the back knee, back toe pointed, Ashav Sanchalan. Okay, this time tuck the back toe, take it forward, Padhastasana. Both hands up and back, Hast Uttanasana. And Pranam Mudra. Inhale, Pranam Mudra on exhale. From here, inhale, both arms up, Hast Uttan. Hands down, Padhastasana. Right leg back, Ashav Sanchalan. Left foot back, plank pose. 3, 2, 1. Knee, chest, chin on the mat. Ashtanga Namaskara, 8-limbed pose. Point the toes, drop the belly. Cobra pose, Bhujanga Asana. Now tuck your toes, Parvatasana. Right leg forward between the palms. Drop the back knee, Ashav Sanchalan. Tuck the back toe, take it front, Padhastasana. Up and back, Hast Uttan. And now Pranam Mudra. Second round, left leg. Inhale, Pranam Mudra on exhale. Inhale, Hast Uttanasana. Exhale, Padhastasana. Inhale, left leg back, Ashav Sanchalan, horse riding pose. Tuck the back toe, right leg back, plank pose. 3, 2, 1. Knees, chest, chin on the mat, Ashtanga Namaskara. Point the toes, drop the belly, Bhujangasana on inhale. Tuck the toes, exhale to Parvatasana. Left leg forward between the palms. Ashavasanchalan, horse riding pose. Right forward, Padhastasana, both hands up and back. Haft Uttan and Pranam Mudra. Third round, inhale, Pranam Mudra on exhale. From here, inhale, Haft Uttan. Exhale, Padhastasana. Right leg back, Ashavasanchalan. Left leg back, plank pose, Dandasana. 3, 2, 1. Knee, chest, chin on the mat. Point the toes, drop the belly, Bhujangasana on inhale. Tuck the toes, exhale to mountain pose, Parvatasana. Right leg forward, inhale to Ashavasanchalan. Exhale to Padhastasana. Inhale, Haft Uttanasana. Pranam Mudra. Again, inhale, Haft Uttan. Exhale, Padhastasana. Inhale, Ashavasanchalan. Exhale, Dandasana. Knee, chest, chin, Ashtanga Namaskara, 8-limbed pose. Inhale to Cobra pose, Bhujangasana. Exhale to mountain pose, Parvatasana. Left leg forward, Ashavasanchalan. Inhale to Padhastasana. Inhale, Haft Uttan. Exhale, Pranam Mudra. Okay, let's start from here. Keep continue. 3 more round. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. 2 breath in Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, exhale. Now inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Okay, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. 2 more rounds to go. Now I'll name the asana with breath. Inhale, exhale to Pranam Mudra. Inhale, Hastottan. Exhale, Padhastasana. Inhale, Ashavpanchalan Asana. Exhale, Dandasana. Inhale, exhale, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, Ashavpanchalan. Exhale, Padhastasana. Inhale, Hastottanasana. Exhale, Pranam Mudra. Inhale, exhale, Pranam Mudra. Inhale, Hastottan. Exhale, Padhastasana. Inhale, left leg Ashavpanchalan. Exhale, Dandasana. Inhale, exhale, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, Ashavpanchalan. Exhale, Padhastasana. Inhale, Hastottan. Exhale to Pranam Mudra. One last round. Inhale, exhale, Pranam Mudra. Inhale, Hastottan. Exhale, Padhastasana. Inhale, Ashavpanchalan. Exhale, Dandasana. Inhale, exhale, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, Ashavpanchalan. Exhale, Padhastasana. Inhale, Hastottan. Exhale, Pranam Mudra. Inhale, exhale, Pranam Mudra. Inhale, Hastottan. Exhale, Padhastasana. Inhale, Ashavpanchalan. Exhale, Dandasana. Inhale, exhale, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale to Parvatasana. Left leg forward, Ashavpanchalan. Right leg forward, Padhastasana. Both hands up and back, Hastottan and Pranam Mudra. Exhale, release to Samasthiti. From here, left leg back, right foot pointed outward. On inhale, bend your right knee, both the hands to the sides. Warrior 2. Stay here, 3 breath. Very gently straighten the front knee, and from here take your right hand down, left arm stretched upward, Trikona Asana. You can look upward or also you can look forward. Stay. Inhale, come to the center. Right foot inward, left foot outward. And from here, bend your left knee, warrior 2, left side. Stay here, 3 breath. Straight your front knee and go down. Look towards your upper palm, or you can look front or down according to availability, so that you can maintain the balance. Stay. Inhale to center and come to the center. Now come to seated posture. Inhale, raise the arms up. Exhale, go down. Hold your feet, shin, whatever available to you, and melt down. Stay in the pose, 5 breaths. Inhale, both the arms up. Exhale, relax to the sides. Now from here, let's move to lying position. Bend your knees. Take your both the knees up and hug. Stay 3 breaths. Drop them back on the mat, both the arms to the T position. Feet are mat width apart here. Drop the knees to the left and look towards your right palm. Stay in the twist. Close your eyes. Breathe into the twist. Inhale, inhale to the center. Exhale to the other side. Very gently come to the center and let's extend to the Shavasana. Both the palms to the sides facing upward, legs relaxed. Melt yourself into the mat. Let's bring the awareness back. Wiggle the toes and the fingers. Turn head to the right, then to the left. Bring feet together. Interlock fingers. Stretch the body upward. Supta Tadasana. Now bend the knees, taking the palms under the head. Turn to your preferable side and stay here for one breath. From here, taking the foot off the mat, come to seated posture. Both the hands in Gyan Mudra. Let's chant one Om to end the session. Inhale. Both the hands in Pranam Mudra. Bow your head down. Thank yourself for showing up on the mat. For fulfillment of intention set at the beginning of the workout, rub your palms. Apply the heat generated on your eyes, on your face. Once again, rub the palms. Apply it on your scalp, arms, back, legs, chest, and both the hands in Pranam Mudra. Very gently open the eyes while looking towards the floor. Thank you.